So a question that I often get asked by people is the timelines when selling. What should you expect? After working with hundreds of sellers here in the Pittsburgh market, it's a question that I get asked all the time. Hi, I'm Joe Corsale, Pittsburgh Joe with RE/MAX Real Estate Solutions. We need to get your home ready for sale. However, it is vital not to just slap your home on the MLS prior to having it in show-ready condition. This will give you an idea of a few things that you need to think about prior to actually letting buyers go into your home. So after we meet and you decide to list with me, I will then schedule an initial consultation appointment with my home stager to come over and actually give you some recommendations on what exactly you need to do to enhance the appearance of your home to get the maximum return on your investment. Don't worry, there's no additional cost for you for this initial home staging consult, as this is a part of my marketing package. This is a piece of the puzzle that's very essential because research shows the importance of staging in relation to the amount of money that you will get on your home, as well as how quickly your home will sell. Once your home is in show-ready condition, I will then schedule our professional photographer and videographer to capitalize on all of the unique features of your home. Once we have the pictures and all the videos, I will then work on all of the back-end digital marketing so we can expose your home to the masses. This is one of the most important parts of getting you the most amount of money on your home. I don't just put a sign up and put it on the MLS. It's much more detailed than that. I have a very strategic, comprehensive digital marketing strategy to utilize that is like no other. This involves running highly targeted ad campaigns across multiple social media platforms. Please know that just by posting your home on a Facebook page or on a business page, only about 3% of people are actually seeing it. So I properly expose your home across multiple social media platforms. During this time, we also talk about whether you should have any inspections done prior to going on the multiple listing service. You will also complete all of the disclosures, so we have all of these available for buyers to actually look at, so they are fully aware of the condition of the home prior to making an offer. Don't forget, we go on to all the major sites like Zillow, Realtor.com, you name it, we are there. Depending on the time of year and market conditions, that will really determine how long it will take for your home to sell. I'm Joe Corsale, Pittsburgh Joe with RE/MAX Real Estate Solutions. And remember, when you do what you love, people love what you do.